So this is one of the pieces that the epoxy got onto that I'm going to try to clean today. It's really heavy on the sides. You can hear it. It's really sticky. So what I'm going to use is just a shop towel and then some goof off. It's worked okay so far. I was using some other stuff before that, but I ran out, so this is, I was using some of this before, or some other stuff that was more heavy duty, but I ran out, so I'm going to try this with this last piece that I need to clean up. So I'm just going to put some on there, and then start to rub it off. You really have to do it hard to get it to come off, and just keep going. And I mean, right there it looks a lot better, but it's still on there. You can see right there. Okay, so you kind of get the hang of it. I'm gonna put the phone down, try to do the rest of this, then I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. Okay, after about an hour, that's what I got off. Still some there, which I'm gonna try to tackle later, but overall it looks a lot better. Still not perfect. I'm gonna have to take these window switches out and go at them, but it looks a lot better. Some spots like right here were just impossible to remove. I rubbed this for about 10 minutes. Nothing came off, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. Yeah, that's how it looks right now. Lots of elbow grease and lots of work.